So if you have an oil leak or you're burning oil, two things you should check before you run to a mechanic. If you could do a little bit of mechanic work. Check your oil pressure sensor. This guy right here. All right. Mine's a 2003 Silverado. It's the PS340 pressure sensor that's located at the top of the engine and the back of the engine. You got to reach your hand back there, okay? There's a little plug that goes into this thing, electronic plug or something. But this was leaking at the top of the head of my engine and leaking down underneath. So it gives you a false sense that you have a rear main seal leak or something underneath. So when you're checking oil leaks in a car, and I'm not a mechanic, I've learned this in the last couple days. Check the leaks, go look when you're looking underneath and you're looking up. Look at the highest points, because the oil starts from the higher spot and works its way down. Okay, so I changed that guy there. And the other thing you want to change is the PCV valve, and it's one of these guys. All right, mine was the PCV 1199DL. That's the part for a 2003 2500 Silverado, and this is what it is. It's very easy to find. There's a tube on the top of the engine, and if you follow the tube, you pull the tube out. This thing is jammed into the tube this way, and it's stuck into the top of the motor that way. All right, and what happened was, if you look, mine was clogged. Okay, another problem. This could be a burning oil culprit where you're losing oil and you don't see leaks. Change this $1.99. This guy is more like 60 to 70 bucks depending on what you buy. Okay, so check these two things first before you run to a mechanic. And if you can change them out, try to change them out on your own. It's worth it. You might be able to save some money. Okay, and that's pretty much it. All right, so let's get finished up. We're gonna clean up. I let the truck run for about 20 minutes. I went underneath with a flashlight, had no drips, no leaks, nothing. So I'm hoping that these guys did it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, where are you, kid? Sonny? Sonny, you back there? Sonny!